Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing Process Lasso, a Windows process automation and optimization software. What is Process Lasso? Process Lasso is a software developed by Jeremy Kowak of Pitsum Technologies. It features a graphical user interface that allows for automating various processes related tasks, from tuning algorithm like propellants to user created rules and pre-existent settings such as CPU and priority classes. Process Lasso gives you complete control over running applications, and if you wanted to know how does it work exactly, Process Lasso is essentially a bundle of optimization tools. The software controls. Well, if you want to see the software, I have it here installed, Process Lasso, which is essentially a bundle of optimization tools, which is essentially a bundle of optimization. You can see here is the app that have a bundle of optimization tools like propellants mode, performance mode, and we can see that the software controls which application can which CPU core and threads use which CPU, disabling or prioritizing different core threads for different programs can improve speed and performance. For example, if I have a game or I have a specific app, for example Origin. If I want to use Origin, because I game using Origin, I go to priority class within Origin and I go to current and I make sure that it is on high. That's how we do it. There is apps that I'm not by necessity. I need when I'm using my desktop to design or gaming, or you get what I'm trying to say here. For example, Nexus. You put the priority class in Nexus, current below normal. There is certain apps that is crucial for your Windows to function, which is you will find that it is written system within the user panel. You do not mess with those programs, which is written system on it, because it is crucial for your system to work. But the other apps you can, for example, the other apps which are not system and not local server, you could mess around with. Yeah. For example, I could mess around with Spotify. Where is Spotify? It's here. I can put Spotify, the priority class of it, to below normal. So guys, I hope that gave you a quick explanation of what is Process Lasso and how it can be used. Thanks for watching and see you later. I hope you press the subscribe button and support me. If you look at the video down, you might find that I have little subscribers. I hope that you support. Thanks a lot, and please, I know that some of you are gonna be disliking this video a lot. If you didn't like it, press the dislike button. It's not a big deal. Thanks.